We came to Buntzen Lake for a peaceful kayaking day and ended up building a whole boat from scratch. Yeah, this wasn't the plan.
There are kayak rentals here, but they are $80 for 2 hours and $120 for 4 hours.
So here's what happened. We found a kayak on Facebook Marketplace. Great price, good reviews, and he said it's easy to assemble. And we trusted that too much. After opening the bag, we immediately realized we are not going anywhere for the next 40 minutes. This kayak came in more pieces than a logo set. At first, we were confident how hard it can be, right? Just unfold, clip, and paddle. But no, every clip had its own personality. Some were too tight, some were too loose, and some just refused to clip. But then something finally clicked. Literally, one clip looked in place, then the second, then the third, and suddenly it started looking like an actual kayak. After almost an hour of building, adjusting, tightening, fighting, and laughing, there it was, a fully assembled kayak by two people who were absolutely not trained for this. Yeah. I don't know if this is going to work or not. Alright, let's push it to the water. I hope it floats. We are also taking this bag with us. It has our mobile, a camera, water bottle, some food.
Oh god.
My gosh.
लो चली मैं Here we go.
And honestly, when we finally sat inside, started paddling, and saw the mountains reflect on the water, every minute of struggle felt worth it.